and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Hello, it is Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the July Curated Bead Box, July 2026. And this is the Archaic Artifacts. So that is the theme for this box. And every box comes with a kit, ready-made kit. You get or starter kit, finding starter kit. So you get your crump beads, your elastic bands, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, earrings, ear wires, and lobster cloths. So these are it runs down the name of everything in the box. And again, it tells you that the items that has the numbers can be found on dollarbead.com. And just use those model numbers and you can get the exact same beads. Now, I typically try to go in order that is listed on here. Just so. Ooh. This on here. One of them came open or came off the bead. All right, so we're going to start with our starter kit. And again, you have your jump rings, your elastic band, some lobster cloth. So for this, earring, wires, crump beads, head pins, beading wire, and memory wire. So that's typically what you get in every kit. Let's start with and this one is 10 mm. I said I was gonna go order and I did not go in order. This one is the hot pink gemstone style bead. So what is this one? This one. Or does this bead go with this one? Yeah, this one goes with this one. And this one is the magenta. And it's also a 10 mm. This is the hot pink gemstone. And you also have this one. I like this one. It's like green, and then they have the pink metallic stripes on them. Super cute. This one is given like a gray marble look to it. I like these. It's given like a glass look, feel to it. It's so cute. So next we're going to do my 8mm beads. So I actually had two. I had a few that came off the screen. This go around. Okay, so this is the pale green gemstone. So this box came with a mixture of gemstones and glass beads. This one, it just says Khaki Duo. That's all it says. Khaki Duo. And these are glass beads. And then you have this one. And then this one is a 6 millimeter rose quartz gemstone bead. And then it came with the mix. And this mix, you got different size sea beads. And these definitely complements the other beads that came in this kit. I have a bag of those. Ooh, these are cute. These are 14 millimeter galaxy style beads. Got a nice decent size hole in there. Those are cute. They also come with some spacer beads. And it's 6 of these. Come on, open up. Love the design on those. And then, oh, these are cute. Cute little earrings. These are cute. Put a bead in the middle of that. Make a cute earring. Super cute. Absolutely. Love these. I absolutely love this box. Alright, so now we're going to organize them. box came with a lot of 10mm beads. Where did it go? Alright, where did the spacer bead go? I think the only thing that's not going to fit in here are these big ones. Let's see. No, it won't close. Hold on, let me see if I put them over here instead. Yeah, no, these won't fit. They're a little too big. That one. And the only thing I need to find some place to go is these. But I think I have room in the me one that I could put those in. I'm trying to keep all of their sets together as much as possible. But that is all for today, folks. If you made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate it. If you're new here, you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. I truly appreciate it. Until the next time, bye bye. What a wonderful